Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something super useful, especially if you are a freelancer, small businessman owner, or even someone just trying to collect payments online without dealing with complicated code or expensive e-commerce platforms. In this video, I will show you how to create your own PayPal payment link step by step. It is simple, free to use, and free to set up, and gives you a professional way to accept payment instantly, whether you are selling a product, service, or even running online classes. So let's not waste any time and jump into right into the video. So all right, before we jump into the how to create link, let's talk about why we should create a payment link. Say you have a website built on Google site or Wix, but you don't want to pay up for premium just to enable payment option. Or maybe you are promoting your service on Instagram or WhatsApp and just want a quick clickable link that lets people pay you securely. This is where PayPal payment links shine. You can send them via DMs, emails, embedded them in on your website, or even stick a QR code on your saloon mirror or shop counter. You don't need a developer who can or in online store setup, just a PayPal business account, and we are going to do that. Okay, now let's set up together. First thing first, make sure you are logged in your PayPal business account. If you don't have one, you can sign up it for free. Now, once you are logged in, follow these steps. First of all, you have to click on pay and get paid from the top menu. As you can see here, you will get to see here in the top. Just simply click over here, and after that, under the drop down, select the pay links and buttons. Just simply go into accept payments. From here you can go to request payment, PayPal checkout, pay links and button. Just simply click over here. After clicking, you will get to see this kind of interface. Now on the next screen, you will see two main options. First, payment link and QR code. Second is payment button. Now you will also get a preview on the right hand side showing what the customer will see, which is really handy. Now click on the setting to customize how the link behave. You can so now choose payment method. Like if you go to settings, you will get to see what kind of payment method you want. For example, show your business name or logo. If you want, just simply click over here, and if you want to show your business logo, you can do that as well. Now email homepage URL, enter the web page address where you would like to redirect your customer. Over here you have to enter homepage URL, so you can go and check out, and if something looks good to you, you can customize it as well. Now let's get back to the main where we can create a link. Now you have to add name and description where the item name is, and for example, you have to add a product where like video editing, and then you have to add a description of that product. I'm just simply adding this, and now here you have to set a fixed price or give your customer control. You can give the customer control, like if he wants to send whatever money, you can do that. So customer has to add the payment amount. So if you want to set up payment site, for example, if I want only $500, I can only simply do $500. So if someone wants to give me money, so by with this link he will only give me $500. So it will be very easy to give a customer control. So what I will do, just set a customer set price. Now just enter the label amount field, for example this one. At least this is a label, so don't worry about that. Now once your the details are in, just hit the create button. Just simply click on the created. Now from here you can copy it, like you can copy code, or you can just simply copy code again. If you want payment link, just click on the payment link. From here you can copy that. Now, so you can copy the link and embed it in it anywhere you want. So this is was easy. So that's it. You know how to create a PayPal payment link into 2025 and embed it into your website. Or it's simple, effective, and perfect for anyone starting out or wanting to low effort way to accept payment professionally. No need for e-commerce integration, no extra monthly fees. Work with websites, social media, email, even personal via QR code. Now, if you want to create with the QR code, you can create it as well. For example, just go back into pay and get paid. Go in the pay links and buttons, select payment link and QR code, uh, add the product item, and just click on the create it. Now from here you can access the QR code as well. So just download it and print out, and you can put it on your where you want. So if you want to give a single button, you can copy this code and you can embed it in your website as well. So if you found this video helpful, and go ahead and smash that like button. And if you have any feedback related to video, how I can improve my quality, if you have any suggestion, you can give me in comment box. So thanks for watching.